Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will give the honest review of my laptop, that is HP Fortinet DK0093AU. In this video, we'll cover everything like performance, battery life, charging time, portability and many more. So watch till end. I have bought this laptop back in August 2020. I have already do the unboxing video of this laptop. Make sure to check link in description of unboxing video. So let's move towards the video. The first thing we gonna look here is its hands-on feel and day-to-day task and compatibility. As you know, this is a notebook laptop, so carrying this laptop is not a big deal. It has a 14-inch Full HD bright display which makes viewing angle more attractive. The display is quite bright in a low mode in a dark room, which is a good sign for a display. It has actually a pretty good build and design. It has all the ports including RJ45 and Type-C port, which is very good. Let us see the charging and battery life of this laptop. It has 3700 mAh battery. The battery backup of this laptop is 4 to 5 hours easily in a daily day-to-day task. If you are a gamer or a graphic user, it will end up around 2 hours of battery backup. It also supports fast charging. The laptop gets 0 to 100% charge in 1 hour and 45 minutes with provided charger in the box. The charger we get with this laptop is 65 watt, which is made up of very good quality. The overall I will give 8 out of 10 to the battery of this laptop. Moving towards storage and specs, this laptop comes with Windows 10. It has 256GB SSD along with 1TB hard drive, which makes the tasks like power on off, copy and paste, read and write speed very fast. The best part of the SSD is it is very fast as compared to hard drive. The SSD makes the computer very smooth because it does not have any moving part unless like hard drive. Not only SSD, this laptop also comes with hard drive of 1TB, which is very good amount of storage you will get in this laptop. Coming towards RAM, it has 8GB of RAM pre-installed in this laptop. The RAM is the most important part of any laptop and computer. In this 8GB, you will get 2GB of graphic card support in this laptop. You can also upgrade the RAM in this laptop. Let's talk about performance. It is a AMD Ryzen based laptop. It has AMD Ryzen 5 quad-core processor, which you can compare it with i5 of Intel processor. I think Ryzen 5 is better in terms of performance with i5 processors. Comment down your views on it. It has integrated graphic card in this laptop. It has AMD Radeon Vega 8 graphics, which makes the best graphics supports in this price segment. You can easily play games like Asphalt 9, PUBG and many more. The features of this laptop like SSD and Ryzen 5 make this machine very fast in terms of speed. You can also upgrade RAM in this laptop. As I said earlier, you can add up to 8GB of more RAM in this laptop, which makes total of 16GB of RAM. Coming towards display and keyboard, the display in this laptop are very bright and can go up to 200 nits. Along with this, you will get very low and thin bezels, which makes viewing angle more attractive. The camera in this laptop is HP True Vision camera, which comes with decent picture quality. The keyboard of this laptop is very good. The key placement is also perfect. It comes with island style keyboard with no backlight, but you will get a notification light on caps and mute button, which really helps in dark situation. The sound quality in this laptop is also very clear and loud. Because the speakers are given in the front side, it will give you clear sound and does not stuck sound anywhere. In my opinion, this laptop is perfect for students, business, day-to-day tasks as well as some gaming. And also if you want a large amount of storage in the laptop along with SSD and hard drive, then this laptop would be perfect for you. Comment down your favorite part of this laptop. If you have any queries, ask in the comment section. We will meet in the next one. Till then, be safe. Goodbye.